Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about introducing semantics, pragmatics, and discourse. Before it, I will introduce myself. My name is Bintang Kasiana Manalu. The first we will explain about what is semantics. Semantics means the meaning and interpretation of words, signs, and sentence structure. Semantics largely determine our reading, comprehension, how we understand others, and even what decisions we make as a result of our interpretations. Semantics can also refer to the branch of study within linguistics that deals with language and how we understand meaning. This has been a particularly interesting field for philosophers as they debate the essence of meaning, how we build meaning, how we share meaning with others, and how meaning changes over time. One of the central issues with semantics is the distinction between literal meaning and figurative meaning. With literal meaning, we take concepts at face value. For example, if we say fall began with the turning of the leaves, we would mean that the season began to change when the leaves turned colors. Figurative meaning utilize similes and metaphors to represent meaning and convey greater emotion. For example, I slept like a log would be a simile and comparison to show how still and deep a person was sleeping. The next is disciplines and paradigms in linguistic semantics. Since meaning in language is so complex, there are actually different theories used within semantics, such as formal semantics, lexical semantics, and conceptual semantics. Formal semantics uses the technique from math, philosophy, and logic to analyze the broader relationship between language and reality, truth, and possibility. Has your teacher ever asked you to use an if then question? It breaks apart lines of information to detect the underlying meaning or consequence of events. Lexical semantics deconstruct words and phrases within a line of a text to understand the meaning in terms of context. This can include a study of individuals, nouns, verbs, adjectives, prefixes, root words, suffixes, or longer phrases or idioms. Conceptual semantics deals with the most basic concept and form of a word before our thoughts and feelings added context to it. For example, at its most basic, we know a cougar to be a large wild cat, but the word cougar has also come to indicate an older woman who's dating a younger man. This is where context important. The next is what is pragmatics. Pragmatics is a branch of linguistics concerned with the use of language in social contexts and the ways people produce and compare meanings throughout language. Pragmatics focuses not on what people say but how they say it and how others interpret their utterance in social contexts, say Geoffrey Finch in linguistic terms and concepts. Utterances are literally the units of sound you make when you talk, but the signs that accompany those utterances give the sounds their true meaning. Pragmatics rules don't just tell us how we should use language, they also allow us to make inferences about the unspoken meanings contained within particular statements. When a statement has these unspoken meanings that have to be decoded based on pragmatic rules, it is an example of conversational implicator. The next is what is discourse. In linguistics, discourse refers to a unit of language longer than a single sentence. The word discourse is derived from the Latin prefix dis, meaning way, and the root word courere, meaning to run. Discourse therefore translates to run away and refers to the way that conversations flow. The study discourse is to analyze the use of spoken or written language in a social context. Discourse studies look at the form and function of language in conversation beyond its small pragmatic pieces such as phonemes and morphemes. This field of study, which Dutch linguist Toon van Dijk is largely responsible for developing, is interested in how larger units of language, including lexemes, syntax, and context, contribute meaning to conversations. I think that's all. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye.